Hello children, in this video we will discuss our exercise 6.4. But before doing that questions of exercise 6.4, first of all few things which you have to keep in your mind. In this exercise mainly the conversion is there. How to convert rupees into paisas, how to convert kilometers into meters, centimeters, millimeters, like this. So for doing that you have to learn the table. Which table? It is given to you on your page number 118. It is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. These are the symbols by which they are denoted. Like kilometer is denoted by km, meter is denoted by m. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeters. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters. And 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameter. So this table you have to learn as it is. Next children, one more thing, that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 meter is also equals to 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters. Next, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters and 1 kilometer is equals to how many centimeters? 1 lakh centimeters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeters and it is equals to 10 lakh millimeters. So like this you can do the conversion. Similar is for the case of this measuring mass also, that is in terms of grams. Like 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. 1 kilogram is equals to, it is 10 lakh milligrams. So like this you can do the conversion. Liters is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. For rupees and paisa also, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. That I think all of you are aware of, that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Now children, exercise 6.4, first question is, convert the following into paisa. Now only I have told you that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 0.57 is given to you. How we can convert? First of all, we will remove this decimal. So 57 upon 100. When we have to convert rupees into paisa, we will multiply it with 100. So 57 paisa will come. 2.68. It will be 268 by 100. Convert it in terms of paisa into 100. 268 paisa. So like this you can do these two parts also. Simply remove the decimal and multiply with 100. Next children, question 2. Convert the following into rupees. Now in terms of paisa is given to you, you have to convert in terms of rupees. So again the same thing. Here we have multiplied. When we have to convert into rupees, we will divide. So 65 upon 100. It will be 0.65. 9 paisa is given to you. You have to convert in rupees, which is 9 upon 100 and write in terms of decimals. So 0.09. So like this you can do the next two parts also. Next children, convert the following into meters. In terms of centimeter is given to you, we have to convert in terms of meters. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 50 centimeter is given to you. So 50 centimeter, how to convert in meters? Centimeter is smaller unit. We have to convert in bigger unit. So whenever we have to convert smaller into bigger, we will divide. So 50 upon 100, which is equals to 0.5. 650 upon what will come? 100 will come. It is 650 only, I think so. Yes, 650 millimeter is given to you. 650 millimeter divided by 1000. It is equals to 0.65 meter. Next children, 2.5 kilometer. Remove the decimal upon 10 into 1000. So what we will get? 2500. Next, 0.7 kilometer. 75 kilometer. So 75 upon 100 into 1000. Whenever we have to convert kilometer into meter, we will multiply it with 1000. Next children, convert it into centimeters. Now we have to convert into the smaller unit. So we will multiply. 3.675 meters. So remove the decimal. 3675 by 1000. It is in meters. We have to convert in centimeters. So multiply by 100. What we are going to get? 367.5 centimeters. Second is 1.235 kilometer. So multiply this with 1 lakh. Remove the decimal, multiply with 1 lakh. You will get 1,23,500. Similarly, 23 millimeter, 23 by 100, it is 2.3 centimeter. 0.689 kilometer, multiply it with 1 lakh. So it is equals to 6,89,000, sorry, not 6 lakh, it is 68,900. 68,900. Children, next is question number 5th. Subtract 63.746 kg from 87.503 kg. So both are in kg. You can subtract it easily because from is written. So write this term first of all. 87.503 minus 63.746. When you will subtract, you will get 23.757 kg. Next, children, from the sum of 89.08 meter and 10,337 centimeter, subtract the sum of 832 centimeter and 41.58 meter. So first of all, we will convert all these numbers in terms of centimeters, not centimeters, in terms of meters. So 89.02 meter plus 10,337 centimeters. So convert this 10,337 centimeters in terms of meters. We will divide it by 100. So 89.02 meter plus 103.37 meter. Add them, add both of them because they have written sum. So here also in the next case we will convert centimeters into meters. Divide this by 100. You will get 8.32 meter plus 41.58 meter. Add them, add both of them. You will get 49.90 meter. Now we have to subtract 192.39 meter and 49.90 meter. When you will subtract, you will get 142.49 meters. So this is your answer. Next is convert 65 centimeter into millimeter, meter and kilometer. So whenever you have to convert centimeters into millimeters, what we will do? We will multiply it with 10. So multiply this with 10, you will get 650 millimeters. Whenever you have to convert centimeters into meters, divide it by 100.65 meter. Whenever you have to convert 65 into kilometers, what you will do? Divide it by 1 lakh. So you will get this. Now children, next question 8. Riyan's book weigh 9 grams. What is the weight in milligrams? So how to convert in milligrams? 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. So 9 into 1000, 9000 milligram. Last question of this exercise. Temperature of a place in Himachal Pradesh is 14 degrees Celsius on a particular day. It falls by 2 degrees Celsius on the next day. What is the temperature of the city now? So how to calculate? Temperature on a particular day is 14 degrees Celsius. How much the temperature decreased each day? By 2 degrees Celsius. So 14 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, present temperature will be 12 degrees Celsius. So children, by this we have completed our 6.4 exercise and this chapter also. Complete your notebooks and complete this exercise also in your notebook. Thank you children.